can see at Chemical 14, we have a wealth of scrap wood neatly organized into this disaster. When we bought the building about 10 years ago, we had to do some pretty major structural work due to termite activity. And as a result, we ended up with a lot of old growth heart pine. This is what the studs looked like in our building, kind of rough cut 2x4s. It's some really nice wood when you plane it down, so I've been trying to come up with small projects so we can get a little bit of value out of some of this. So this mess you're looking at is my repoussé bowl. It's a metal forming process, and basically this is a steel hemisphere full of organic pitch that's sitting in a wooden triangle. The only reason I'm showing you this is because I kind of like it as a design element. So we decided we would do something kind of similar and make some little planters. This is just a mock-up that I did with some scrap wood. Obviously it's not complete. We were just testing out some different processes and fastening methods. We notched out and fit together and then pinned together with a wooden peg, and then we used a router to kind of dish out the inside so that the bowl would sit in it a little bit farther. While we were building this mock-up, we also created these jigs, which are going to help us make this into basically a more easily repeatable process. You'll see us using these in a minute, and it'll become clear what they're for.